Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are going to be opening up this Mew VMAX box, or deck. I already have one, but I'm not going to complain if I have another one, because I play the TCG and sometimes a card gets damaged or whatever. And also this Pokemon Go Mewtwo versus Malmetal V. So let's start with the Mew VMAX, and I'll see you there. Alright, so this is the Mew VMAX. Comes with 2 Mew Vs, 2 Mew VMAXs, 2 Genesect Vs. If we flip it over, has the whole deck list. Pause if you want to read that. We'll go through all the cards. Comes with a nice set of dice and some counters. All that. Let's open it. And alright, this comes with a little playmat slash little insert that tells you how to play the deck. Don't really need that. Anyways, this is the box. Don't need that. This is the deck box. It comes with the cards inside, and then it comes with these 6 cards, which are the main thing of this deck. Comes with 7 dice, 2 tokens, 1 for poison counter, 1 for burning. That is the code for this. So Genesect V. Fusion Strike system. Once during your turn, you may draw cards until you have as many cards in your hand as you have Fusion Strike Pokemon in play. Okay? And Techno Blast. During your next turn, this Pokemon can't attack. Alright. Mew V, Fusion Strike. Okay. Energy Mix. Search your deck for an energy card and attach it to one of your Fusion Strike Pokemon, then shuffle your deck. You may shuffle this Pokemon and all attached cards into your deck. Okay. Mew VMAX, also a Fusion Strike Pokemon. Cross Fusion Strike. Choose one of your benched Fusion Strike Pokemon's attack. Use it as this attack. Max Miracle. This attack's damage isn't affected by any effects on your Pokemon's active. Yeah, you know what I mean. Anyways, sorry I couldn't read there for a second, but let's see what's in here. Okay, just flip this over. Have that, a Fusion Strike energy, Alessa's Sparkle, Fog Crystal, Boss's Orders. Okay, Choice Belt, it's a good one. Malouetta, Power Tablet, Ultra Ball, Battle VIP Pass, Fortnite Battle Pass. I'm not gonna finish that song, but you can in your head. Switch, Old Cemetery, Ultra Ball again, Deoxys, or Deoxys, however you say it, Battle VIP Pass, Cremomatic, Double Turbo Energy, Alessa Sparkle again, Boss's Orders, okay, Oricorio, Fire card, which is weird, Cremomatic, Fog Crystal. Just gonna skip over the ones that I've already said. So, like I said, I already have this deck, and I've played it a couple times. It's alright, but I could use an upgrade or two. I do not have the Pokemon Go decks, though, and I will upgrade those, because I know they aren't the best, but they're not bad. So, I am going to show those in this video, and I think the rest of the cards are just, yeah, the same cards. Alright, we're now on to this one. This one is a bigger box, significantly heavier. Here are the deck lists. 2 strong Pokemon V stand ready. Get ready for a major Pokemon battle with ready-to-play double deck bundle with extra trainer cards. This set includes a deck for you and 1 for a friend. You can choose either Mewtwo or Melmetal V to lead your team in a heads-up battle against another trainer. Then switch up the decks and see what things look like on the other side. Can you win with both powerful Pokemon V? So it comes with 2 decks, 11 additional trainer cards, 2 Pokemon Go booster packs. That is cool. I didn't know that. 1 sticker sheet, large metallic coins, 2 deck boxes, 2 strategy sheets, 2 single player playmats, 6 reference cards, a damage counter, sorry, 1 guide to upgrading your decks, and a code card for the Pokemon TCG Live. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright, here we are. So, 2 Pokemon Go booster packs. We'll open those in a bit. Mewtwo V with all that stuff. Really cool coin. And then Melmetal V with a whole bunch of cool stuff and a really cool coin. That comes with this, which I think tells you how to upgrade your decks. It comes with these cards to upgrade your decks. 2 really cool stickers. Then those are codes. You can pause the video here. And let's get into the Mewtwo deck. Okay, I'm going to stop doing those transitions because I always think they're kind of dumb. So it comes with a whole bunch of different coins, or not coins, tokens, damage tokens. Comes with this really cool coin. Looks cooler in real life. Mewtwo V, which Super Psybolt 60 and Transfer Break 160. Move an energy from this Pokemon to one of your bench Pokemon. Then it comes with one of these play things. Here's the code for this deck. Also comes with a rule booklet, how to play, and this. So I will just say I'm not a huge fan of those cardboard tokens. Oh, that's weird. It was upside down. I mean, they're alright, but I just prefer the dice. Of course, I have a huge tin full of dice coins, even those tokens. But I don't like that card. Just looking through this. It's an alright card. It's overused, but oh. They put a normal typing and DD in here, which is weird. Really weird. I mean, not putting a normal type in a deck, but they have psychic type ones. But, oh well. And water. Oh, to evolve into the... Yeah, I get that. I get that. Okay, just... typical. Okay. Let's go into the Melmetal. Alright, comes with all the exact same stuff. Look at that coin. Okay. Arm Charge. You may attach a Steel Energy card from your hand to this Pokemon, and then Mega Punch. Okay, not bad. There is the code. And let's get this open. Okay, just gonna do this. Which isn't perfect, but oh well. Okay. Time to see what cards are in this. Show you the code. And then I'll read one of these. Alright, here is the code for these cards. Got Professor's Research. Professor's Research. Professor's Research. Boss's Orders. Boss's Orders. lure module, egg incubator, rare candy, and that is it. So now I'm going to look through this. That was not a bad little thing. Sorry, I had trash to throw. Anyways, so what you can do during your turn. Draw a card. You must do this at the beginning of every turn. Put a basic Pokemon onto your bench. Attach one energy card to one of your Pokemon. Retreat your active Pokemon. Evolve Pokemon. Play trainer cards. Use abilities. And attack with your active Pokemon. Okay? What are special conditions? Asleep, burned, confused, paralyzed, poisoned. How do I remove them? Move the Pokemon to the bench, evolve the Pokemon. Okay? Can a Pokemon have multiple special conditions? Yes, but only in certain combinations. Asleep, confused, paralyzed. The newest special conditions is the only one that applies. Burned and poisoned, these apply at the same time as the other special conditions. Your Pokemon can't be asleep and confused at the same time, but if you're really unlucky, it could be burned, paralyzed, and poisoned. Okay, that doesn't sound very good. Special conditions, asleep and paralyzed. The top of the card goes to the left for asleep, and the top of the card goes right for paralyzed. If your Pokemon is asleep, turn it counterclockwise. A Pokemon who's asleep can't attack or retreat during your Pokemon's checkup. Flip a coin. If heads, the Pokemon recovers. If your Pokemon is paralyzed, turn it clockwise. A paralyzed Pokemon can't attack or retreat. Your Pokemon will remain paralyzed throughout your next turn and then recover during Pokemon checkup. Okay? Special condition burned. If your Pokemon is burned, put a burn marker on it. During Pokemon checkup, put 2 damage counters on your burned Pokemon, then flip a coin. If heads, the Pokemon recovers. A Pokemon cannot have 2 burn markers. If it gets burned again, this new special condition replaces the old one. Okay. Confused. If your Pokemon is confused, turn it so the top of the card points towards you. Before attacking with a confused Pokemon, flip a coin. If tails, the attack doesn't happen, and you put 3 damage counters on your confused Pokemon. If heads, the attack works normally. Okay, poisoned. If your Pokemon is poisoned, put a poison marker on it. During the Pokemon's checkup, put a damage counter on your poisoned Pokemon. A Pokemon cannot have 2 poison markers. If it gets poisoned again, the new special condition replaces the old one. Alright, so not bad. Probably gonna give these to my, some of my friends who don't really know how to play. But, alright, let's move on to the next thing. Alright, we have 2 Pokemon Go packs. As you guys know, my favorite set so far from this year. It's just a good set. So let's open this. Okay, here is the code. You know what I mean, sorry. Fighting Energy, Xatu, Slowbro, Lunatone, Bulbasaur, Numel, Alolan Raticate, Tranquil, Larvitar, Blissey, and alternate art Dragonite V-Star. Just normal Dragonite V-Star, sorry. I do not have this card yet, so definitely a good pull. Okay, we are officially on our last pack of the day. Also the second pack of the day, but last thing we're going to be opening. Stay in place. Okay. Slowbro, Lunatone, Chansey, Pikachu, Squirtle, Bidoof, not the holo version, so no. Ditto, Apom, Alolan Raticate, Golisopod. Okay. At least it's hollow. Whoa, that's weird. You can kind of see through the ink with this. In real life, I cannot see what you are seeing right here, where it shines through, but that's cool. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, leave a like and comment, and peace out.